Welcome to HAUS Math with Home Academy US. In the previous video, we saw a trick to multiply any two-digit numbers within seconds. Now today we will learn more multiplication tricks in HAUS Math. Let's begin with a trick to memorize table of 9 or to understand how it works. Start by writing the first digit from 0 to 9 like this, and then for the right side start from 9 to 0 like this. So this means we go down once and then we go back up from 0 to 9. This is how you write the table of 9 without having to memorize it. Next up is multiplying a number with 11. Let's take an example. 11 multiplied with 36. First step will be to bring this 36 on the right side like this. Leave a gap in between. For the number in the middle, you just take 3 and 6 and add them. So 3 plus 6 gives us 9, which goes in this blank here. We get 11 into 36 equal to 396. Let's take another example. 11 multiplied by 76. Once again, we bring 76 onto the right hand side, something like this. Leave a gap in the middle, and for the middle number we just add 7 and 6. This gives us 7 plus 6 equals 13. So this 1 goes here and 3 goes here. This will give us 836, which will be our answer. Now we also have a trick to multiply ones. Something like 1 into 1 or 11 into 11, 111 into 111, and so on. For answers, 1 into 1 is 1, 11 into 11 is 121, 111 into 111 is 12321, and then 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. So if there are two ones like in 11, you count to 2 and then back. There are times that we need the value of pi, which is a little difficult to remember at times. So we have a trick to learn that. You just have to learn one sentence. May I have a large container of coffee beans? Now we just have to count the number of letters in each word. 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5. Write this in front of pi. 3.14159.265. We can use this value. Now this wonderful trick will make multiplying any two numbers super easy for you. Suppose we want to multiply any two numbers. Let's take an example. 544 multiplied by 34. We just write the first number on top like this. 5 4 4. Now write the second number on the side like this. 3 4. Now just look carefully as we draw a grid next to these numbers. Also divide each box once again diagonally. To fill in these boxes, we perform multiplication. We multiply 5 with 3 for this box, write 15 like this. Then 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12, write like this. Once again 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12, write like this. And repeat the process to fill in all the boxes. Now to get our answer, we perform addition. We will use these diagonal boxes. 1 becomes 1, write 1. 1 plus 5 plus 2. This gives us 8, write 8 over here. Again 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 gives us 4, write 4 here. 2 plus 1 plus 6. This gives us 9. Write down 9 here. And in the end 6 becomes 6. Write 6. So we have our answer right there. 1, 8, 4, 9, 6. So that is our answer, 18496. Today we learn more multiplication tricks in HAUS Math with Home Academy US. To book a free demo class with us, log on to www.homeacademyusa.com or email info@homeacademyusa.com. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share our videos and channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.